Hey guys, welcome back again. Today we will see yet another video on special friend. There are two ways to spell O and I. They are sounded as oi, oi. O and I and O and Y makes a similar sound oi. They are said to be digraph. Digraph is the one two letters make single sound. Here O is a vowel and I is another vowel. They makes a single sound oi. O is a vowel, Y is a consonant. Of course, in some place it is also considered as a vowel. Here they makes a sound oi. We'll see some examples on oi sound. It may be oi comes either in the beginning or at the center of the word. We'll see some examples. Oi, oi, oil, k, oi, coin, s, oil, soil, f, oil, foil, b, oil, boil. So the sound of the letter OI is oi. OY also makes a sound oi. B, oi, boy. T, oi, toy. J, oi, joy. O, oi, a, loyal. D, a, is des, t, destroy, destroy. So, how to make the children to remember these sounds? There are few phrases which help the children to remember these sounds. They are said to be speed sound chart. For oi sound, you can use the sentence spoil the boil. So, when the children forgot the sound of oi, you can make them to recall the sentence spoil the boil. So, they found out that oi sound is oi, and one more sound oy, toy for a boy. So in both the cases, toy and boy makes a sound oi. So these two sentences will help the children to remember the oi sound. So today's video is on the sound oi. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you want further notification, you can press the bell icon. If you want any video specifically, you can comment in the comment section. Thanks for now. Bye.